Magic 8 Ball. Is this a good person to marry? Why not? What the hell could go wrong? Hey everybody, in case you're new here, I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney, licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And I'm here today with one of my favorite tools, the Magic 8 Ball. You know, you could just ask it any question and shake it, and it gives you an answer. Anyway, the purpose of this video is, are you just leaving your choices to the Magic 8 Ball? Big life choices like, is this a good person to marry? I've seen cases where someone will just marry somebody else without really vetting them for a long time or vetting them carefully at all. And here's the point of the video. I've seen too many cases where someone will get into a relationship and then tell themselves a story about the relationship. And they'll romanticize the relationship in a way that is not reality. They'll put the person on a pedestal, and they won't have their needs met, and they're walking on eggshells. But they'll continue down this path that, quote, society says they should be going down, or they want so badly to go down, but it's not reality. And then what happens? They end up getting married. And it doesn't work out, and it becomes abusive, and then their life is crumbling. I mean, this is like commonplace in divorce court. So what's the point of the video? Don't leave important life decisions up to chance or the Magic 8 Ball, or don't take the hope strategy where you're smoking hopium and hoping that this person changes and the relationship starts to feel more natural, all right? It never ends well. And the goal of all these videos is to get you out of, or keep you out of divorce court and get you out of a distressful situation. So if you are attached to somebody in an unhealthy way, where you refuse to see the truth and you're lying to yourself and you're going down this path of destruction, wake up. Wake up, because it's not going to end well. And you're going to look back and say, I should have known better. Or even worse, I did know better, and I still went down the wrong path. Okay? Use your head. Use your head. Don't go down someone else's narrative. If you feel uncomfortable and the relationship isn't really serving you well now, it's not going to get better after the wedding. All right? Share this with someone who is hanging out with a thirst trap and they just can't break away, or they're hanging out with a narcissist and they're sucked into that vortex and they can't seem to escape. Don't let that be you, all right? Listen, if your friends won't tell you and your family won't tell you, listen to a divorce lawyer who's probably never met you. You don't want to be in that trap. It's a bad situation, and if you have children, it's going to have life consequences. Don't derail your life. Take your time. Stay single. There's no harm in that. You can still have great intimate relationships without bringing state law in and dictating what happens to your finances and your life. All right? Share this with somebody walking around blind that needs to see it. I don't want to see any more disastrous situations, and I've seen too many already. Be careful out there.